Okay, welcome to Chapter 6. Chapter 6 is on continuous probability distributions. Right now we're going to be working on the first one, the uniform probability distribution. Now, the expected value of x, and this is going to be the mean, that's x, is equal to a plus b over 2. Now, with the uniform probability distribution, the probability f of x of any, of p of x for any value is 1 over b minus a. Okay, that is the box. Okay, the probability is uniform. That's why we have this straight line up here. And it can take on a value anywhere between a and b. And this is a continuous probability. So this is not just the whole numbers, it's the whole number line between a and b. There are an infinite number of values that this variable could take. Now, when we talk about a continuous probability distribution, we no longer talk about the probability of the random variable assuming a particular value. Instead, we talk about the probability of the random variable assuming a value between some interval. So down here we might look at the probability that a value in the same distribution, the probability that this variable takes on some value between C and D or A and B or D and B, but not one particular value. Okay, so the expected value, or the mean, is A plus B over 2. So let's say this were 10 and this was 2. The expected value of our variable would be 2 plus 10 over 2, and that's 6. That expected value would fall right in the middle here, between 2 and 10. And that's because we have a uniform distribution. The probability is equal for all values of x. Now, let's say we wanted to calculate the probability of a variable falling between some range, in this case C and D. So we're going to stick numbers in here. A was 2, B was 10. Let's make D 8 and C 4. The probability, so what we're looking for here is we want the probability of x greater than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 8. Okay. So to calculate this,